In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Patreon analytics. If you want to understand how your Patreon page is performing, the analytics area is the place to go. It gives you a clearer picture of your membership activity, earnings, post performance, survey results, and traffic, so you can make better decisions about your content and growth strategy. To begin, log into your Patreon account and open the Creator Studio. This is the main workspace for creators, and it's where you manage your page, content, and account performance. Once you're inside Creator Studio, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct creator account if you manage more than one. Starting here is important because the analytics tools are built into this creator view, not the standard supporter side of Patreon. After that, look over to the left-hand menu and tap on Insights. This is the section where Patreon organizes your performance data and reporting tools. The Insights area is designed to help you quickly check how your creator page is doing without having to dig through multiple settings pages. If you're reviewing your page regularly, this is a good section to bookmark mentally since it's the main hub for analytics. Once you open Insights, you'll be able to access the dedicated dashboards for membership, earnings, posts, surveys, and traffic. Each of these dashboard areas focuses on a different part of your Patreon performance. The membership dashboard helps you monitor supporter trends and changes in your member base. Earnings gives you a view of your revenue-related data, which is useful for tracking financial performance over time. Posts helps you evaluate how your published content is performing. Surveys gives you access to insights connected to audience feedback, and traffic helps you understand where your page visits are coming from. When you review these dashboards, it can be helpful to compare patterns over time rather than looking at a single moment in isolation. That way, you can spot growth trends, identify which content is connecting best with your audience, and see where adjustments might be needed. Even a quick check-in on these sections can give you valuable information about what's working, and that's all it takes to view Patreon analytics. Log into your account, open Creator Studio, tap Insights from the left side menu, and then explore the dashboards for membership, earnings, posts, surveys, and traffic. Once you know where these tools are, keeping track of your Patreon performance becomes much easier.